The most delicious zucchini ricotta roll-ups you'll ever have. Let's go. 4 zucchinis cut into 4 equal pieces and cut a little bit off the end so that they can lay flat. Olive oil, salt, bake for 15 minutes until nice and soft at 400. In a bowl, ricotta, 1 egg, parmigiano, pinch of salt, basil, and stir. Marinara on the bottom, add a little teaspoon of ricotta in your zucchini, roll them up, sauce on top, mozzarella on top, and bake for another 20 minutes at 400. Enjoy and follow for more.